Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Techie Gamer here, and today I've got the Esports MK3400V2W gaming keyboard. So this keyboard has anti-ghosting keys and multicolor backlit lighting, and this is a mechanical gaming keyboard, and you also get a World of Warship coupon because Esports have a collab with them. And let's give you a look of this keyboard and flip it aside. So guys, here you can see the specification of this keyboard. Like, this keyboard comes with a braided cable, 1 of 4 keys US layout, 26 keys with anti-ghosting, and high quality blue mechanical switches, and 9 backlight LED modes. And this is the best keyboard you can get under budget, which is also mechanical. And guys, please subscribe me and press the bell icon for post notifications, and like and share as much as you can. Let's begin. Guys, I've cut the seal and opened the box. So here you can see the fresh mechanical keyboard, and this keyboard is just sleek. And here you can see the mechanical switches of these keyboards, and there are some other products we get, like this MK3400 user manual and warranty card, this 1000 rupees coupon code of World of Warships, and an Esports greeting card. And guys, this keyboard comes with a 1.5 meter braided cable, and let's check it out on our laptop. So guys, I will connect this keyboard to my laptop and I'll show you how this lights up. So here is our braided cable, and this USB cable is also gold plated, so you get a premium finished gaming keyboard under budget that is mechanical and also has backlit light, LED light RGB, and I can feel the mechanical switches. So let's plug it in. So guys, I've connected the keyboard, and there you see the lighting of this keyboard, and you get different 9 styles of the RGB effect. That's really amazing. This keyboard is actually beautiful, and you can see I can feel the mechanical switches. It's so smooth, and it is the best gaming keyboard you can get under budget for gaming. Like a mechanical keyboard under budget, like I got this keyboard for 2000 rupees. That's amazing. And you can change the mode by pressing FN plus INS, the lighting modes, and you can also decrease and increase the light of this keyboard. That's really amazing. I just love this keyboard. Now guys, let's dive in to the review part of this keyboard. Guys, here you can see these are some uplifters. If you pull them out, it will lift your keyboard up, and you can also see some rubber pads for less friction. And this keyboard is amazing. And you also get this USB braided cable, and you also get extended hand palm rest. So guys, now let me show you the sound of this mechanical keyboard. It's so amazing. You can hear them out. It's so amazing. And this is the lighting effect. If you see it from side, if you turn on the RGB, it glows like this from the side. It's just amazing. You can also check this out, man. It's just amazing. Just amazing. This keyboard lights up so beautifully, guys. And guys, this is for today. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe, like and share. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and guys, let's meet you until next time. Thanks for watching.